Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Cancer. Cancer people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Cancer people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Knight of Cups. Cancer people, this is your current energy. And we have Nine of Pentacles. This is your partner's current energy. So we'll talk about your current energy first. We have Knight of Cups. Cancer people, you guys are taking a lot of time to think about certain things. Okay, you perhaps you want to offer something to somebody, but you are taking your own time to see, is it really worth to invest in someone emotionally, right? You want to see whether the other person is also willing to take you or willing to accept your offer. Are they really um, well are they really deserving person? Okay, so you are taking your own time to think about something or to offer something to somebody. Or I feel that for some of you Cancer people, I feel that you want to offer something to someone, but there are a lot of obstacles in front of you. Okay, there are so many obstacles in front of you that you are not able to move ahead. Okay, and I feel that these obstacles are nothing but just your illusion. You feel that there are, mountains in front of you, and there is river in front of you, but I feel that it is nothing but just your illusion. Okay, you are just creating your own stories in your mind that if what if I ask this thing from my person, and what if they say no, or if they refuse my proposal, what if they refuse my offer, what will I do, where will I go? So there are so many things which are stopping you to take a step ahead. So that's why I feel, Cancer people, you are holding back your emotion. You want to offer something to someone, but when time goes, you feel that it's not correct time to talk about that thing. Or perhaps you are like really scared that what if the other person what if the other person will refuse your offer, then what will you do? Okay. Cancer people, this is your partner's current energy, Nine of Pentacles. Okay, with this card, Nine of Pentacles, I feel that your person is somebody who is independent, okay, but not happy. They are independent, they have a lot of responsibilities. They are somebody who is blessed with good amount of money. They are blessed with a lot of abundance in their life. They are blessed with good home. Okay, they must have some pets, okay, in their home. And plus I feel that they are somebody who loves peace. Okay, but there is certain things which is going into their head, into their mind. Okay, they are not going to reveal that thing, or I would say they are not revealing their emotions right now. They are not uh, exposing or confronting their emotions in front of you or in front of anyone else. Okay, they are being very isolated right now. They are not in talking terms with anyone. They are all alone here. Nobody is there in their life. Okay, if they feel that no one can understand them, no one can understand their emotion, no one can understand what is happening within their heart and mind, so it's better to keep mum. Okay, it's better to not to talk with anyone. So they are being like so independent right now, but they are not happy. They are really really sad. Okay, Now let's see, Cancer people, how you see them, and how they see you, Cancer people. Oh, Four of Wands, and how they see you. So we have Four of Wands. Cancer people, with this card, you see them as somebody is, I mean, you see them as they are like your wish come true, okay? They are somebody you have been manifested from a very long time. They are somebody for whom you have prayed a lot of times, okay? So they are the answer of your prayers. You want to be with this person, okay? Uh, you really want to marry this person. That's what I'm saying. I mean, seeing. Okay, with this Four of Wands, I'm seeing some celebration is going on. So you see them as your life, lifelong lover or a lifelong partner. Okay. On the other hand, with this Six of Swords, your person is seeing you as somebody who has, detached themselves from the rest of the world. Okay, when it comes to emotion, they feel that you are, trying to, you are trying to be away from this relationship. Okay, you have your own insecurities. Okay, you have your own fears, okay, within your heart and mind. That's why you are holding back your emotions. So your person sees you, Cancer, that you are trying to move out from this relationship, or perhaps you are trying to be away from them. Okay, they feel that on an emotional level you do not want to invest within this relationship anymore. Okay, so they feel that you are trying to uh, move out, or you are trying to give up in this relationship. Okay, now let's see how you feel about them and how they feel about you. Okay, so we have Eight of Swords, Ten of Swords. You feel about them as they are someone who is being very, very fearful. Okay, or I would say they are not fearful, but yes, they are being somebody who has, who's still stuck in their comfort zone. Okay, so Cancer, you feel that this person, can easily free themselves. They are getting angry on themselves. Why can't they move from this situation? Why this all this shit happens with them? Why they are into this negative energy? Why so many whys are there in their life, Cancer? So you feel about them that they can, easily free themselves, or perhaps you think that your person can easily free from this relationship, but then why they are not doing it? Okay, why they are not doing so? Okay, so this person is standing all alone. Nobody is around them. This person can easily free themselves, but you feel that why this person is still attached with me? Why this person wants to be with me? Okay, why this person wants to, to why this person does not want to leave this situation, okay, or leave me, or just leave this relationship. Okay, I feel, Cancer, somewhere in your mind you want your person to quit on you. That's why you want them to you want them to be free from this energy. Eight of Swords. You really want them to quit on you, Cancer. Okay. On the other hand, Ten of Swords. Your person is seeing that you are being somebody um, who has changed, okay, who has transformed. You are not the same person which you used to be a month back or 2 months ago. Okay, Cancer people, they are noticing your each and every moment. They are noticing your behavior. So they feel that something is happening with you. Okay, perhaps I said that, I mean, they are seeing you that you are trying to quit or you are trying to move out from this relationship. So at some point of time you feel that it's okay, that nothing is going to work as per your wish, nothing is going to work as per your desires. Okay, so at some point of time you feel that okay, it's better to be in this relationship and let's just end this relationship, right? So your person is also feeling the same thing. They feel that you are being somebody who has, nobody has told you anything, Cancer people, right? It's you who are just ending this thing. Okay, so your person is feeling about you that this person wants to end this. Okay, wants this person want to talk to me, this person wants to offer me this thing, but there are certain situation which has, you know, made you really fearful. So you don't want to go through that phases, we don't want to um, experience the bad phases, okay, of breakup or something like that. So it's your own imaginary world, Cancer people, that you are just, you know, escaping from this relationship. Okay, so that's why they feel that perhaps you don't want them. Okay, and you have killed your emotion on your own. Nobody has killed your emotion, Cancer people. It's you who has killed your emotion. Okay, now let's see what you feel in this relationship, or how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Ten of Pentacles. You know what, you know, Cancer people, it's no matter how much desperate you are to move out from this relationship, but yes, at some point of time you feel a complete uh, a sense of completeness with this person. Okay, I feel with this card, Ten of Pentacles, you feel whenever they are around with you, whenever you talk to them, whenever you guys discuss your things, you feel a complete family thing with them. Okay, you really want to be with them, you really want to have family with them, you really want to have kids with them, you really want to make a new life with them, right? But yes, at some point of time you are like so fearful that you want to quit. You want your person to quit on you. I don't know what's happening with you, Cancer people. On the other hand, your person feels like, I mean, your person feels in this relationship as Two of Pentacles. Okay, I told you that they are somebody who has a lot of responsibilities, right? And with this Two of Pentacles, they are like juggling a lot of things at the same time. Okay, perhaps they have not shared about you within their family, or within, they must have not spoken about you within their friends. Okay, so it's like quite tough for them to manage all these things. Okay, to manage their personal life and professional life, and plus they have to be with you as well. So these things are making really these things are making really mess for them. Okay, they are being so busy right now. They are like juggling a lot of things at the same time. Okay, they have emotions within them. Okay, for you, Cancer people, they have emotions for you. Okay, sometimes they are like so high on their emotion that they are they talk to you so nicely, and they, you know, they talk very nicely with you. But at some I mean, and some days they feel very low, so they just distance themselves with you. Okay, so they have emotions for you. It's not that there isn't any emotion from their side for you. They have emotions for you, but at this point of time they are being a big time juggler. Okay, they have lot of responsibilities on them, right? Okay, now let's see what is going to be the future potential for Cancer people. what is going to be the future potential for Cancer? Oh my God. Oh my God. We have the Lovers card. Future potential is the Lovers. You know, no matter how hard you try to be out from this relationship, Cancer people, or it's no matter how hard you want your person to quit on you, at the end of the day, you are going to be with them. Okay, with this Lovers card, I feel that, you know, it's no matter how things are going wrong in this relationship right now, but yes, in future I'm seeing there is a mutual attraction between both of you. There is a mutual love between both of you. There is a mutual commitment between both of you. And yes, this is the card of soulmate also. So this person is your soulmate, Cancer people. Don't forget that. It doesn't matter how much time you scold them, or how much time you people get fight. Okay, at the end of the day, you guys are going to make it happen, right? It is a divine connection, Cancer people. It is a divine connection. Don't forget that. Now let's see what angels are trying to tell you. Okay. A year from now, Cancer people, I feel that you are at some, I mean, back in your mind, you want to be with this person. Okay. I told you that you want to marry this person, or you really want to offer this person. Okay. With this Four of Wands, and and I also told you this thing that you really want to have a family with your person. So whatever you are thinking, okay, or perhaps this Knight of Cups energy, you are being really fearful to offer them something. I told you this could be your illusion. So eh, whatever it is, I feel that something new is about to happen for you in this relationship, Cancer people, uh, in a year. Okay, that's what angels are saying, right? So Cancer people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with another water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, with this Knight of Cups. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with this Four of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this Ten of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, and Nine of Pentacles. We have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So some of you could be dealing with that too, with the Six of Swords, Ten of Swords, and Eight of Swords. And we have Gemini in this reading with this Lovers card, right? So some of you could be dealing with Gemini also, right? So Cancer people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.